Investments are documents, material cards, drawings, specifications, and certificates, among other important paperwork. Like all investors, contractors, and designers, it requires a significant amount of time. The overwhelming amount often leads to a mess, and finding what is needed is almost a miracle. That's why we created BinderLess, a platform coordinating the circulation of construction documentation supported by AI. With BinderLess, you will streamline the document approval process, preventing delays. Check extra work, its impact on costs or deadline for completing construction to ensure accuracy. You will provide access to current files and compare different versions of documents. You will improve knowledge exchange between teams and achieve compromises more efficiently. Maintain control and order in documentation regardless of the scale of your investment. Ensure data security and discuss details at all stages of implementation. From the initial concept to ongoing building maintenance, no matter where you are. Connect with BinderLess and join our team today.